Colorado's new artificial intelligence law, the first of its kind in the nation, won't take effect until 2026. But the law is already undergoing a slight overhaul of sorts. Denver 7's Brandon Richard has more from the state capitol.
Well, Colorado became the first state in the nation to enact a comprehensive AI law, and now a task force is looking at how to potentially make that new law work better. It's been said AI will change the world, and it's already started. AI is helping doctors analyze cancer screenings, helping scientists combat climate change, and helping businesses communicate with customers.
There's a lot of different processes out there that a lot of consumers probably don't know about that are AI driven.
Colorado State Representative Brianna Titone says while AI can do a lot of good, there can be downsides, like when it's used to screen job applicants.
There can be some bias in there, and that can cause you to not get a job.
That's why she sponsored a bill that made Colorado the first state in the nation to regulate the use of high-risk AI systems. The law requires businesses that develop or use AI to protect consumers from discrimination. They must also publicly provide information about how they're doing that.
We want the public to know when those things are being employed.
But several large and small businesses say the new law will stifle innovation and competition.
The use of AI systems.
That's why the Artificial Intelligence Impact Task Force, which is made up of lawmakers, business leaders, and consumer advocates, will meet over the next few months to consider possible changes to the law.
I just want to make sure that where we are at with this policy, that we are being thoughtful and not stifling innovation, and really just make sure that we have a balance of protecting our citizens from discrimination and the future of it, what AI is.
The task force must make recommendations to the legislature and governor by February. The task force next meeting is set for October. I'm told they'll be hearing from small businesses at that next meeting. Reporting at the Capitol, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.